Let me show you how I've made hundreds of dollars just by using credit cards. And this is with me spending the normal amount that I would have with a debit card. There are many strategies for you to be able to do it, and I would like to share this with you. That way you can make some extra side income, passive income through credit cards. It's actually very easy and does not take a lot of time on your side. That is why I love doing this, and I'll explain to you exactly how I do this to make some side income. What is going on? Welcome to the Flaming Profit YouTube channel, where we teach you how to become a more profitable investor in the stock market. We're all about finances, improving your finances, making you more money. If you like this type of content, what in the world are you waiting for? Hit the red subscribe button. We really appreciate your support, and also all of these videos are going to be very beneficial to your life and your future. Before we get started, let me share with you some ways for you to make a little bit of extra money. So this is M1 Finance. If you want to get started investing in the stock market, M1 Finance is an amazing brokerage, and they're going to give you $10 for you to begin your portfolio with them. Also, Robinhood, one of my favorite brokerages as well, they'll give you a free stock as soon as you sign up. There is absolutely no reason why you should not take advantage of this. If you want to sell your stock for extra money, you can do that. Also, WeBull will give you 2 free stocks. So there you go, that's 3 free stocks plus $10 from M1 Finance. And then I want to share my favorite link, which is the Discovered Secured Credit Card. This one will give you 1 to 2% cash back on every single purchase, plus $50 sign-up bonus. So what does that mean? That means that you're getting $50 absolutely for free for you to spend on whatever you want. There is no reason why you should not take advantage of any of these offers that I just mentioned. And this also involves what I'm going to be talking about today, which is how to make money with credit card. Alright, class is starting. This is Credit Card 101. So what is credit card churning? A lot of you may have heard of this term, or many of you have not. But credit card churning is absolutely not illegal. I don't know why they're even asking this. Credit card churning is technically legal, of course it is, and there are some advantages to putting it into practice. If you close your credit card account immediately after your sign-up bonus or before the end of a promotional period, you could avoid paying annual fees and interest. So let me explain what credit card churning is, but just so that you know for sure, it is not something illegal. It's definitely legal. A lot of people do it. Credit card churning is somewhat controversial practice of repeatedly applying for new accounts just to earn their sign-up bonuses. For many years, some extreme award travel enthusiasts have practiced churning as a way of amassing points and miles from credit cards that they have no intention of using or keeping. So basically, it's taking advantage of promotions that credit cards often have, and mainly in the form of a sign-up bonus, meaning they offer to give you free money if you sign up for the card. There are many ways of doing this incorrectly, so I want to make sure to teach you the best strategies. That way, none of this costs you any money whatsoever, and everything is just profits that you make. I definitely do not want you to get ripped off or mess up doing this, so that's why I'm making this video. I'm going to go over my own steps, but these are some tips for credit card churning. Look out for new credit card offers. Don't take on more cards than you can handle. Keep fees in mind. Read the fine print. Avoid opening too many cards in a short period of time. Make payments on time. Pay your balance in full each month. Set a goal for rewards. Credit card churning is perfectly legal. I don't even know why people are asking this question. And the credit card companies are all very aware that some people do it, but so few people churn successfully that it's not really worth it for the credit card companies to clamp down hard. And I'm going to turn you into one of those people who churn successfully, taking advantage of these companies. Credit card debt is awful, and it is smart to avoid it. However, if you don't use your card at all, you risk being canceled due to inactivity. You may also put yourself at an increased risk of credit card fraud and accidental missed payments. Alright, so I'm about to show you a real life example of how I'm going to make more than $150 with one card. and this is called credit card churning. That is what we're going to be talking about today. So a lot of the times, credit card companies often have promotions where they offer to incentivize some sort of deal or bonus so that you sign up for the credit cards. It's kind of like a retail store having a sale. That way they can get more customers or consumers. This is a common tactic that credit card companies use. And if you're smart about it, you can take advantage of these companies without spending any of your money on things that you wouldn't have had spent in the first place. So let me show you how I've done this and how I'm about to do it again with this new card. So basically, sometimes you're gonna get offers in the mail, and I'm going to show you a real life video of one card that I just did this with. So this card was offered by Commerce Bank. I received the mail and the letter, and basically the offer is they're gonna give me $150 bonus if I spend $1,000 within 3 months. So this is a card, $150 cashback bonus, and let me read off what it says. It says, Jason, everyone likes to be rewarded, right? At Commerce Bank, when you say yes to your new pre-approved Commerce Bank Rewards Visa credit card, it's as simple as using your card on things you buy every day. Plus, you earn a $150 cashback bonus after you spend $1,000 on purchases on your first 3 months after your account opening. And plus, this credit card offers 3% cash back, 2% and 1%, 3% in coffee and fast foods, and then 2% on gas in restaurants, and then 1% on everything else. So on top of the cash back, you would be getting the 2%, 3%, 1%, depending on what you're buying. And let me show you the math on how this works. Alright, so they want you to spend $1,000 in 3 months, right? So that means that you have to spend about $333.33 every month. Obviously, you can spend less than this in the first month or second month, but you have to pay the $1,000 after the 3 months. Also, please keep this in mind. So the $333 that you would have to spend every month, that is money that I already spent either way. If I weren't doing it on this card, I will be doing it with my debit card or another credit card. So they're basically gonna reward me for spending the normal amount that I would normally spend. So they're basically giving me $150 for buying the things that I already do. Like, you're gonna buy gas either way, you're gonna spend on food either way, you're gonna get groceries either way. So you might as well use it on this card so that you get $150 at the end of the 3 months. So this is not like you're spending more to get the reward. You're actually spending the normal amounts that you do already. And the beautiful thing about this is that it's not only $150 off. You're also, let's say that you only spend on gas, restaurants, fast food, and coffee shops. That will be 2% that you're getting additionally because they have a cash back. So that means they're giving you $20 from cash back. So in total, you're subtracting $20 from 1,000 minus the 150. So basically, with this card, with your normal spending, you would have only paid $830 for $1,000 worth of money being spent. So that's about $276 that you would only have to spend per month, and you're being allowed to spend $333. So if you do the math, you're basically getting $150 plus $20. So that's $170 for free just for doing your normal spending that you would have already by taking advantage of this credit card. And this is just one credit card. Imagine if you do this 2 or 3 times a year whenever you hear about a promotion that a credit card is offering. This is called credit card churning, and it can benefit your credit score in major ways. But I do want to warn all of you. If you are not good with credit cards, if you've ever paid interest on a card, you should definitely try to avoid this because credit cards are only meant to be used by people who do not pay interest, people who pay their bill always in full. Because if you pay interest, that means that the credit card company is taking advantage of you. So please don't pay interest, pay the bill in full. If not, if you can't pay it in full, then you shouldn't be buying it. So I've done this before with Discovered Secured Credit Card, the one that I have the link for $50 off. It's a sign-up bonus. This card actually gave me $438, and I have a video on it in case you're interested how I made $438 from one credit card. This is actually crazy. So if you think about it, 438 plus the 170 of this one, that's like $500 to $600 extra just by basically playing this game with credit cards. And this is not costing me any money whatsoever, and it's helping my score in big time. I'm in excellent credit score region right now, and I'm only 21. So imagine what I could be in maybe by age 30. So as long as you pay your bill always on time and you do your normal spending that you would have either way, then this can add up easily. Making money from credit cards is definitely doable. You just have to be disciplined, you have to be responsible, and always pay your bill on time. If you just do your normal spending, this is not costing you anything, and it's going to improve your credit line. The higher the credit line is that you have, the better it is for your credit score. Because even with your normal spending, it's going to make it seem like you're utilizing less of your credit limit, which is absolutely good for credit cards. If you want to begin this credit card churning journey, if you have not done this before, I highly recommend for you to start with the Discovered Secured Credit Card. And I'll have the link in the description and the comment section. They're going to give you a $50 sign-up bonus, plus they'll match whatever cashback you got after the first year of using the card. I was actually operating a business with this credit card, so any expense I had with the business, I would put it in this card. So it's basically making money from spending more, but it's actually just business expenses, so it doesn't really hurt me personally. So I highly recommend for this to be your first credit card that you do this with. It's absolutely great, and you can make a lot of extra side income through credit cards. And also an added bonus, just by signing up for this credit card, they added my credit line they gave me was $6,000. So that's $6,000 that will be added to my overall credit limit, which helps me a lot in the overall utilization of any credit that I have. So instead of something showing up as like 4% due to my normal expenses, it can now be 2% or 1%, which looks better. So my total limit was $25,300. So now with the $6,000 that they gave me, this is gonna increase to somewhere around $31,000 total credit card limit. So it's pretty cool how you can actually improve your overall financial well-being by improving your credit score and also making extra side income with credit cards. So there you have it. That is how you can make some extra side income without much work, just by spending your normal expenses, spending the normal amounts that you would have normally, and getting rewarded, getting some extra cash, whether it's $100, $200, $300, $400 or more. If you do this through the years, the amounts can add up to significant amounts, even probably enough to buy a cheap car, whether it's $5,000, $4,000, $3,000 over time. I highly recommend this. I've been doing this for about 2 years now. I've done this with multiple cards, whether it's the Cashwise credit card, the CD Double Cashback, and this one, the Commerce Bank card. And you're going to start to get more mail-in offers like this. So it's just extra income waiting for you out there. Make sure you take advantage. If you want to get started, like I was saying with the Discovered Secured Credit Card, you get $50 right off the bat, plus a 2% cash back, and they'll double your cash back after the first year. No reason why you should not be doing this. It is very simple to do, doesn't take a lot of time from you, and it can really help you out financially, and your credit score is very important. But by the way, I do not recommend this for people who do have issues controlling their spending with credit cards. So you have to be a certain kind of person. That is why Dave Ramsey is so against credit cards. But if you use it right and have the right mentality, you can definitely profit. There we go, subscribers. Thank you all so much for joining me for today's special video on how to make extra income through credit cards. If you have any questions, leave me a question down below in the comment section. Like this video, it really helps me out. Let's get this video to 50 likes. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe button. We are growing very fast, and I really appreciate all the support from all of you. Yeah, so there you go. Like this video, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Peace.